Chunky the squirrel here. I gotta be quiet. My human won't let me out of the cage until we get more subscribers. Chunky, if you will, please give my heart a little bitty thrill. Come close and take this peanut from my hand. Chunky, you're the man I love.
Oranges! I got oranges! Hey baby, are you eating an orange? I didn't know squirrels ate oranges. It's not that good though, that's why it's out here. Yeah, maybe not, huh? Hey baby. Oh, he's just going for it.
Chunky with the apples.
They smell like coconut all the time too. They keep going that coconut. Oh, scared yourself, didn't you? Did I see you eating an orange? I got a walnut. Dirty walnut. There you go. You got pretty toes. They're all white. See if I sneak up on them.
Chunky baby, where are you? I got some pecans just for you.